All right, so let's take a look at our second example. Mrs. Moore's math class has raised $1,345 to donate to the Stennis Space Center. If the goal is to raise $4,275, how much money must still be raised? So if my goal is this amount, that means that I haven't reached it yet. That's my total that I want to raise. So far, I have raised $1,345. So I have to see how much more money I need. And anytime we have how much more in our problem, that is a good indication that we've got to subtract. We've got to find the difference. So as always, when we subtract, make sure that your largest number is on the top, and it is. And we'll go and we'll start with the ones place over here. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now keep in mind we're paying attention and we're making sure that my little numbers don't come on top or don't fall on top, which would mean I would have to regroup. All right, so let's keep going to the hundreds place. 2 minus 3. So here's an example of that. My little number is on top. So I'm not going to be able to subtract that. So I'm going to go next door and borrow. You can't turn this into a 12 yet. I can't borrow sugar from my neighbor and use it to bake a cake before borrowing the sugar. I've got to borrow it first. So let's borrow my 3, or sorry, borrow from my 4 and make it a 3, which makes my 2 rise up, and I give it a 1. My 2 turns into a 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So I have $2,930 remaining. But let's check this problem. Let's see if my answer is correct. My difference, let's check it with addition. So start with your difference. We're going to check it with the opposite operation, the inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to add 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 plus 1, 2 is 4. So there we go. I got my menu in right there. So that means that $2,930 is the correct amount.